Today we are going to talk about epoxy flooring designs with prices in India. In today's video we will learn what is epoxy flooring and different types of epoxy flooring designs and where each type we can use and mostly important the price per square foot in India. So make sure you watch this video till end. Let's get started the video. Epoxy flooring is type of floor, the coating made by mixing epoxy resin and hardener. When applied on concrete floors, it creates strong and seamless, glossy and chemical resistant surface. And epoxy floors are highly durable and water and stain resistant, easy to clean and long life and available in many attractive designs. That's why epoxy flooring is widely used in homes, commercial spaces like industrials and hospitals and parking areas. The first one is the self-leveling epoxy flooring. Its self-leveling epoxy flooring gives to the smooth and mirror-like finish. It spreads evenly on the floor and level itself automatically. It's best in use homes, offices, showrooms, hospitals, shopping malls, design and options. The plain solid colors is available and matte or glossy finish. The price in India 50 rupees to 120 rupees per square feet. The price depending on the thickness, brand and surface condition. And another one is a metallic epoxy flooring. This metallic epoxy flooring is one of the most premium and luxurious designs. It's create 3D marble or wave-like effect using the metallic pigments. These are best for luxury homes, villas, hotels and cafes, showrooms and design options like marble effect, lava or galaxy designs, custom artistic patterns. The price in India 150 rupees to 250 rupees per square feet. This is expensive because it's require expert application and high durable materials. So friends, another one is a 3D epoxy flooring. This 3D epoxy flooring is used in printed images placed under transparent epoxy layers. It's creating realistic 3D effect. These are best in use bedrooms, living rooms, bathrooms, hotels, salons, and popular designs, water and beach theme, nature and stone designs, and abstract patterns. The price in India 250 rupees to 500 rupees per square feet. This type is mainly for decoration purpose. So friends, fourth one is the epoxy flake floorings. Epoxy flake floorings is include color flakes or chips mixed into the epoxy coating. It's provide texture anti-slip surface. Best in use parking areas, garages, washrooms, commercial kitchens, balconies. Like benefits, slip resistant, durable and hides the dust and stains. The price in India 100 to 150 rupees per square feet. Anti-skid epoxy floorings. This floorings is designed for the safety purpose. Sand or quartz is added to the prevent of slipping. Best in use ramps, staircase, factories and parking basements. The price in India 90 rupees to 110 rupees per square feet. Industrial epoxy floorings. These are floorings extra strong and chemical resistant. Best used in factories, warehouses, pharma units and food processing plants. The features is the heavy load resistance and oil and chemical resistance. The price in India 70 to 120 rupees per square feet. Sometimes the factors affect the price, like the final prices depending on the floor condition, type of epoxy floor we use, thickness of coating, design complexity, area size, local and labor cost, and larger areas usually get lower per square feet rates. Epoxy flooring's pros and cons, like long life is the 5 to 10 years, some advantages, seamless finish, easy to maintenance and modern look. Disadvantages is the slippery when we without anti-skid. Professional installation is required. Repair it's difficult to the one damage. And so this was complete guide to the epoxy flooring designs with price in India. If you are looking for affordable flooring, go for self-leveling epoxy. Luxury look, choose a metallic or 3D epoxy. Safety and durability like flake or industrial epoxy. If you found this video helpful, like and share and subscribe to the channel. and comment below if you want a video on epoxy flooring installation process or maintenance tips. Thank you for watching this video.